Hey guys, so I wanted to show you, I cut my extensions really quick. Now listen, I did my angle really good, but I really tried to layer it on top of that like another day, but I really just did it too fast and I wasn't really paying attention. So now I flat ironed it so I could really see it. Now I want to just show you. See, this way it looks okay, but you see how some of these ledges are here? Like that one right there is a ledge. And if I wanted my hair that length, it'd be fine too, but you see how this is not connected? And if I push this a certain way, it's not gonna look connected either. Let me see. I kind of like there, it looks like there's a step. So I just wanna show you how to do this. This is a feather razor, so good. It's one of my favorite. And you need to put a brand new razor in there too, because you're really just gonna be etching out hair. So, and you really wanna hold this straight. Do you understand? Don't hold it like the hair this way. You actually have to hold it on the angle that the hair is going. Make sure you're combing it and you're holding it on that angle. Because of course I'm gonna go slower now to make sure I do it. Good, because it's my wedding hair for my daughter's wedding. So I'm just gonna ever so slightly just soften it. You see that? But I also need to soften it a little bit more. It's a little too thick. So I just wanna come in and I'm just, and you need that new razor so it does it very effortlessly. Okay, there you go. Now I need this part right here. Just take piece by piece. I'm gonna connect this here and you're gonna look at it. See that right there? You could see how I definitely need to fix it. Just keep going down, keep going down, keep going down, keep going down. There you go. It's looking better already. I do just a little bit on this part. Okay, now I need this part. Take the next piece. See, there's that big step right there. Okay, so I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna start it right there. I need to do a little bit more right here, and I actually need to do it this way because I want it to be in the front. Yeah, I like that better with the next piece. Now I have to take this next piece and look at where do I want it to go. I want it to have some softness in here too. I'm gonna take some bulk out and then I'm just gonna skim. You're just skimming everything. Just skimming it so it's nice and soft. Nothing's too much. Yeah. I like that better. And then when I have it curly too, it'll work better. See, like right here, I just need a little more of it right there. Look how much better that side looks. It's getting there. And I probably need to take a little length off. Like right here. Now I'm gonna go in there because it's too bulky and too thick. I need to take some out. I'm gonna do another piece. Comb it. And I'm gonna hold it. My fingers are going towards my face and then I have to just skim it. Go down. Skim, 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 skim. So much better. It's getting there. And how about this piece? Where does this go? You gotta look at it. It goes like back here. I'm just gonna ever so slightly just soften it. Yeah, that looks better. See how different? So much better. Now I have to go on this side. So I'm gonna take a little piece here. This side's always a little harder. I'm just gonna ever so slightly etch it. See, and of course, this piece is too much. I have to just soften that little ledge. Just little bits at a time. There we go. See, looking better? Now to do this next section. See, because I did this one, and I really have to make this like a little skinnier. So I have to really make sure. See how it's like a little ledge right there? I have to ever so slightly just put it into a point. Much better. Okay, it's getting there. See this part right here? And this is a big drop. Let's just take this. See that ledge right there too? I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna thin it out a little bit so it's separated. And I just have to do a tiny bit more right here. And you're being ever so delicate and gentle with it. When I rush, you just have to go slow and just make sure you're doing it right. And with my bangs, I'm gonna have to do a little bit of my bangs too. I wanna bring a little more separation in those bangs. Come on. I need them to be more separated. They're too thick. Go inside there and put it on ever such a slight little angle. So you have just little baby pieces, little baby pieces. Right here too. And let's do a little right here. Just to like taking some bulk out of the hair. You just go slightly down. That's it. It's just kind of debulking that hair a little bit so it looks better. Okay, let's get back now. Okay, it's still a little too thick here, but that thickness is in here. So I need to just skim it out. Take another piece. You could take a thinning shear, and you could just take a thinning shear and do it, but I like a razor just to go a little slower. See it? You can see it when you're really looking. Okay. Okay, now it's here. This one right here too. It's like a ledge. And that's the thing, extensions, let me tell you, extensions are not easy. They're the hardest thing ever to cut, so you really have to like be aware of what you're doing and why you're doing it and where it's gonna land. Right here. Right there. I need more right here. I need some here too. Is it even? This side just a little bit more. This keeps hitting my microphone. Let me see, you gotta make sure it's really in the middle of the back. Yeah, see? yeah, I think that's better. Better than it was. Maybe this little extra piece too. And I usually wear my hair curly. I don't really wear it straight, but I knew that I wanted to cut it so that it was better. Yeah. Or, yeah, I like that better. It looks better. We just have to flat iron it again. But that's it. So that's how you cut extensions with a feather razor if you want to make it so it's more piecey. And but I'll wear these curly and crunchy, and I like them curly and crunchy. That's my favorite way to wear them. But I just been wearing them straight lately. And that's about it. So this is Coach Kimmy. I hope you enjoy those tips and the tricks and start learning how to do extensions. Have a great day.